Welcome to Wealth Wonderla. Dear friends, do you know, money is a tool, but only if you know how to use it. Today, we'll uncover the powerful habits that every child should learn by the age of 10 to set them on the path to lifelong financial confidence. Let's imagine a world where your child understands saving, spending, and even planning for their future, before they even reach middle school. As Sir Benjamin Franklin very rightly said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The first habit is learning to save regularly. Just like planting a tree, the earlier we start, the bigger it grows. So now we have few questions to understand the concepts of savings. Let's go. Question 1. Why is it important to save regularly? A. To buy anything you want anytime. B. To build a habit that prepares you for future goals. C. To rely on others for money. D. To avoid any responsibility for money. So what is your answer? Just type in comment box and find out if it matches with the correct one. The correct answer is B. But why? Because saving regularly helps children develop the habit of setting aside money for future needs and teaches them patience and discipline. This habit lays the foundation for bigger financial goals later in life. Remember, small savings today lead to big possibilities tomorrow. Well, the second habit is learning the difference between needs and wants. Kids need to understand that while wants are exciting, needs are essential. Now let's explore the difference between needs and wants. Here is the question, try your best chance and present your financial wisdom. Question 2. How do we define needs versus wants? A. Needs are items we can live without, wants are necessities. B. Needs are only items parents give, wants are bought with allowance. C. Needs are essential for living, wants are nice to have but optional. D. Needs are things friends have, wants are things we don't have. So what is your answer? Let's find out the correct one. The correct answer is C. Needs are the essentials required for living, such as food, shelter, and clothing, while wants are extras that can be enjoyed but aren't essential. Teaching this helps kids prioritize spending wisely. As Will Rogers says, too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Now let's find out what's your stand regarding the above statements. Do you think saving is easy or hard? What's one thing you bought recently? Was that a need or a want? Have you ever set a goal to buy something? Share your story. Please comment your experience in comment box. So, if you want to give your child the best financial start possible, remember these few basic habits. Savings, understanding needs versus wants, setting goals, tracking spending, and making smart spending choices. These aren't just habits, they're superpowers for life. And Epictetus stamps the statement further. He says, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable. Together, let's build the financial futures our children deserve. Thanks a lot for watching, sharing and subscribing. Wealth Wonderla.